Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to discuss as usual the BTC price action. Before we move on to multiple time frame analysis, I've got a small request as usual. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. I would like to start from the recent update which I made via Twitter. On the 2nd of March, around 9 p.m. UTC time, the price was at around 43,800 level, and I provided local resistance and the support levels. And as you can see, the price was nearly to the resistance level. On the 3rd of March, the midday, I posted, as you can see, where the price action was. I put it the tweet as well, and you can see perfect rejection right from the local resistance level. And today I made a last update where we met the target level with a 7% profit. However, we're going to discuss that in a minute. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter, _magnate. As you can see, when I updated, the price was at around, as I said, 43,800 level right in here. And as soon as the price touched to the local resistance, as you can see, perfect rejection to the dollar, and we formed bearish bat pattern. And as soon as we cleared the D point, as you can see, X formed A, B, and then C, D point. That was around your 786, the fib level, and we started dumping quite fast, and we reached to our target level exactly. And that provided, as I said, from the local resistance all the way to this 382, over 7% profit. And if you're doing a leverage, 10 times 70%, 5 times 35% in less than 48 hours. In the recent video that I discussed bullish bat pattern, how it failed below the resistance levels. However, this is your bearish harmonic pattern, and bearish harmonic pattern on a downtrend, it works perfectly. That's the reason you need to pay attention when you rely on this type of patterns and when you need to avoid it. This is a harmonic pattern that I'm talking about, and I mentioned in the previous videos, as soon as we got this breakout, however, as you remember, we had strong resistance level and we saw massive correction dump in the market. And then people started blaming the Russia and Ukraine issue. We also had at the same time this falling wedge as well, breakout, made the retail traders quite excited, and then you saw what happened in the market. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Starting from a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, as you remember, 42,500, 43,000 levels were quite important levels. We had a breakout, however, we're getting a pullback in the market. The daily time frame, bullish signal, weak bullish signal isn't confirmed yet at this stage, as long as we're going to be above $40,000. And $40,000 is a must-hold level on the daily time frame in the next 72 hours. Then we will see whether we're going to get a confirmation or not. I will update in the next video. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Based on a lower time frame, as soon as we reach second time to this major support, which was expected again, after we saw number of rejections right from $45,800 from 0.618, the golden pocket higher time frame, as well as you can see, to the dollar, we got rejection from higher time frame resistance level, as well as at the same time we had 2 parallel channels. And at the moment, we're again facing right into this 0.382 and 33, the higher time frame fib levels. As soon as we broke the lower line of this resistance, it was acting as a resistance, $41,000 4-hour time frame started giving us a bullish signal. As I said, as long as we're going to be above this support level, ideally that 382, 33, the high time frame, mid time frame Fibonacci at around 40,200, 40,000 ideally, 4-hour will remain under the bull's control in the next 48 to 72 hours. If we're going to lose after 72 hours, which is slightly early for us to talk about this stage, we will see the 4-hour may enter under the bear's control. As I said, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, 4 days, as you can see, we had trouble right in this resistance, which was acting as a resistance, the current support. And as soon as we broke with this huge candle, 2-hour time frame started flashing a bullish signal. And as soon as we broke this level in the recent videos that I was talking about, and all the way we reached to the resistance level. That was another 15% up from 2-hour time frame. And again, if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself. At this moment, 2-hour time frame trying to be on the bullish side. However, in the next 24 hours, if we're going to lose the lower line of this level, which is $41,100, $41,000, 2-hour will enter under the consolidation. If we see a consolidation level, and then must hold level based on a 2-hour time frame is going to be this support level, which is $39,500, $640,000. So as you can see how this support is crucial based on a mid and lower time frames. Moving on to 1-hour time frame. As you can see from the recent update, perfect rejection after we printed. As you can see, the first rejection at the same time I warned about this price action as well, in which we had a higher high structure based on a lower time frame, and on the oscillator that you can see we had a lower highs. This is a classical bearish divergence, and I was expecting that we're going to test again this local resistance, or highly likely we're going to reject from these areas. And as you can see perfectly based on a lower time frame, as you can see, perfect rejection to the dollar, try to retest again the important level of Fibonacci. We printed bearish harmonic pattern, and as a result we ended up right inside this support box. And as you can see, to the dollar, to the wicks, we're holding at the moment this lower line of this support. If we're going to lose 1-hour time frame, as you imagine, automatically under the consolidation now, if we're going to lose this level, and we may end up right inside this support box. And this is going to be extremely important in the coming days. The levels are clear, play level to level. We came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.